Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a YouTube thumbnail on CapCut PC. So when you press export and when you're done editing, select the edit cover button here and select the part of the video you want to make thumbnail. You can also select a file from like an image, I guess, from your folders, but I'm just going to select one from here. You can use templates if you'd like to, like this one, but I'm not going to do that, but you can obviously. You can add in text here like this one. Oops, trying to like find winter, and then like you can also like change the font here if you'd like to. There's a lot you can choose from, like a lot. Let's see, which one do I want to use? I like the first font better. Oops. Winter vlog. There. You can also like change the sizing of it as well here, and the color here. And you can also adjust the shadow as well, but I'm not going to get into that. Oops. I want to move this. Okay, there you go. And you can also add in like shapes if you'd like to, for some reasons. You can also add in stickers. There's a lot you can choose from, as you can see here. Like maybe the frame ones or like these ones. Again, I'm not going to go into that much because maybe I'll add in like a few like this one. Oops. You can change the color of that as well. I don't know. And you can also add in like a frame, and you can make it into a collage and stuff like that. But once you're done, you're just going to press save. And then when you export it to your folder, it's going to also like save the cover, and you can then use that for the thumbnail, like this one. Like upload it as an image. It's not the best quality, I must say that, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.